Welcome to Master Wealth, your go-to resource for mastering the art of personal finance and wealth building. In this video, we're unveiling 8 additional and essential strategies to boost your financial IQ. If you haven't watched part 1, we encourage you to do so before watching this video. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, these insights will empower you to make sound decisions, grow your wealth, and achieve your financial dreams. Number 8. Analyze your favorite brand's financials. By analyzing your favorite brand's financials, you'll gain insights into their business structures, profitability, and growth potential. This knowledge allows you to make informed investment decisions and enhances your consumer and investor awareness. Analyzing your favorite brand's financials involves studying the financial statements, annual reports, and earnings of companies that interest you. Here's how it can be beneficial. Income statement. This document shows a company's revenues, expenses, and profitability over a specific period. Analyzing it helps you understand the company's ability to generate profits. Balance sheet. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of a company's financial position at a given time, showing assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. It helps assess a company's overall financial health. Cash flow statement. This statement details a company's cash inflows and outflows. It's crucial for understanding a company's liquidity and ability to generate cash. By analyzing these financial documents, you can gain insights into the company's performance, growth potential, and competitive position. This information helps you make more informed investment decisions. Number 9. Follow influential financial podcasts. Listening to financial podcasts is an excellent way to stay informed and gain insights into personal finance, investing, and wealth management. Influential podcasts often feature experts in the field and offer valuable lessons, including market trends. Podcasts provide updates on market trends and economic developments, helping you to stay informed about the financial landscape. Investment strategies. Financial experts often share their investment strategies, which you can incorporate into your own approach. Financial wisdom. Podcasts offer practical advice and lessons from seasoned professionals, enabling you to make better financial decisions. By following financial podcasts, you can absorb knowledge and receive advice in an engaging and accessible format, making it easier to stay informed and make sound financial decisions. Number 10. Read influential personal finance books. Reading personal finance books is a traditional yet highly effective way to deepen your financial knowledge. Such books often cover various aspects of personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Some benefits of reading personal finance books include real-life examples. Books often feature relatable stories, case studies, and real-life examples that make complex financial concepts easier to understand. Overcoming challenges. You can learn how to identify and overcome common financial challenges and pitfalls through the experiences shared in these books. Inspiration and motivation. Personal finance books often provide inspiration and motivation to set financial goals, take control of your finances, and pursue a path toward financial independence. Reading these books, taking notes, and applying the lessons to your financial situation can help you to develop a strong foundation in personal finance and make informed decisions. Number 11. Utilize gamified learning apps. Gamified learning apps use game-like elements and rewards to make financial education engaging and interactive. These apps focus on various financial topics, including investing, budgeting, and personal finance management. Some popular gamified learning apps include wealth building simulators. These apps allow you to create virtual portfolios and simulate real-time trading in a risk-free environment. They help you learn about investment strategies and market dynamics. Budgeting and saving apps. Some apps use engaging visuals, quizzes, and progress tracking to teach budgeting, saving, and managing expenses effectively. Using these apps, you can develop positive financial habits, learn essential financial skills, and gain practical knowledge while having fun. Number 12. Set up a financial vision board and utilize goal-based investing. A financial vision board is a representation of your financial aspirations, consisting of images, quotes, or symbols that inspire you. Goal-based investing, on the other hand, aligns your financial objectives with your investment strategy. By combining these two approaches, you can stay inspired. The vision board serves as a constant reminder of your financial goals and keeps you motivated to make decisions that lead to your desired outcomes. Strategic planning. Goal-based investing ensures that your investments match the timeframes, risk tolerance, and required capital for each specific financial goal. Focused decision-making. These methods help you make decisions that are in line with your financial aspirations, whether it's saving for a house, education, or retirement. Using a financial vision board and goal-based investing can create a robust strategy for achieving your financial goals while staying motivated and focused. Number 13. Experiment with dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging (DCA) is an investment strategy that involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. Benefits of DCA include mitigating market volatility. DCA reduces the impact of market fluctuations on your investments by spreading out your purchases over time. Discipline and consistency. This strategy instills discipline by automating your investments and encourages regular saving. Emotional control. DCA minimizes the influence of emotions in your investment decisions as you continue to invest regardless of market ups and downs. By consistently investing over time, you benefit from both market upswings and downturns, potentially achieving better results than attempting to time the market. Number 14. Automate your finances. Automating your finances involves setting up systems and tools to manage various financial aspects, such as savings, investments, and bill payments. Key benefits include time and effort savings. Automation reduces the time and effort required for managing your finances. Error reduction. Automation minimizes the risk of human error in financial tasks. Discipline and consistency. Automation helps you maintain financial discipline and ensures consistent progress toward your goals. Setting up automated transfers for savings and investments and scheduling recurring bill payments can simplify your financial life and keep you on track. Number 15. Study the financial independence, retire early, FIRE principles. The FIRE movement focuses on achieving financial independence at an early age through aggressive saving and investing. Principles of FIRE include high savings rate. FIRE followers aim to save a significant portion of their income, often more than 50%. Investing for passive income. They prioritize investments that generate passive income, such as index funds or rental properties. Frugality. FIRE adherents emphasize frugality, making mindful choices to reduce discretionary spending. Intentional living. FIRE encourages a living with a purpose and aligning spending with the values and long-term goals. Studying the FIRE principles can provide insights into how to achieve financial independence and retire early, offering a roadmap for achieving financial goals and living life on your terms. By delving into these strategies, you can deepen your financial knowledge, develop crucial financial skills, and build a strong foundation for making informed financial decisions that lead to your financial success. If you found this video informative, do us and yourself a favor by hitting that like button and subscribing. Doing these small actions will not only keep you up to date on our latest releases, but will also help this content reach others who would like this kind of content to empower their financial journey. Until next time, cheers!